Leakages in terms of sachet water production is normal. You cannot expect to have production dry bags throughout your sachet water journey. Hello wonderful people, it's your boy Nick Asa. In today's video, I'm here to share with you one of the most common problems a lot of factories experience, and this has been a burden and a headache to a lot of factory owners and operators. So if you have been experiencing same issues, then this video is for you. I'm also reminding you, if this is your first time, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share so others can also benefit. If you have a comment, do not hesitate to leave it down in the comment section. Stay till the end of this video. Imagine metal and rubber, a soft and a hard object, interacting together. Definitely, there's going to be some cut and tears in the process. But leakages shouldn't be your overall headache to an extent of creating a huge loss by creating a lot of waste. Not all the leakages we encounter in our factories come from the machine. Sometimes it depends on the person operating the machine. So I will take this privilege to advise operators to activate a technical eye so they don't cause a lot of financial loss to factory owners. Some factory owners may wish to have opted out of the business because of leakages. Okay, leakages can frustrate your production and you would want to exit the business, but exiting the business is not the solution. Leakages can be resolved. Okay, so if you're a bagger, at least try to be a problem solver. Learn how to fix minor issues by yourself. Don't just be a bagger, but try to know some things about the machine, and this will make you a king of production dry bags. You cannot be guaranteed leakage free, but at least your dry bags should be more than the leakages that occur in your production. So leakages can change your mood of production in a whole day. You are not comfortable when you are always making leakages. Customers complain and gradually get tired of you. It also stresses sellers. They then have to adapt a sense of persuasion in order to sell off the leaking bags. But ask yourself, for how long are you going to convince customers to accept your leaking bags? So try as much as you can to deal with the problem and make up your mind that you are the right person to resolve that issue. So in leakage resolution, there are aspects where you may cause a lot of waste before you are able to resolve the problem, and it's normal. There are times you will get an easy solution, but it is the responsibility of a bagger packaging the sachets to spots where leakages could be emanating from. Now let's look at possible areas leakages could emanate from. Number one, improper fixing of roll. This can result in leakages and sometimes cause sachets to be cut in smaller sizes. Also, elements that produces heat on both horizontal and vertical heat sealing must be in good shape. Grease your gears for easy rotation. Number two, lack of maintenance. Replace parts that are tired of working. What do I mean? Parts that are subject to replacement should not be overlooked. Parts such as Teflon cloth and tape, the rubber beneath the Teflon cloth around the cutting panel, and the gum around the go-back pliers should be replaced when they are weak. Finally, position of the rising wind, some call it fork, can also cause leakages when not in proper adjustment. Also, remember to adjust your vertical and horizontal heat temperature at their respective numbers to suit the texture of your roll. Okay, so my overall advice for this video to factory owners and operators is that anytime you are experiencing leakages, technically study the motion of the machine. I mean, every aspect of its function. Grab one of the sachets and carefully look at the leaking point, and this will enable you to know what to do next. All right people, this is all I have for today's video. If you have been blessed, give it a massive thumbs up, share so others can also benefit. If you have a comment, don't hesitate to leave it down in the comment section. See you in another amazing video.